Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for your sales. First, go to Trello.com and log into your account. If you don't already have one, sign up for free. Once you're logged in, you'll either want to open a new board or create one dedicated to your sales pipeline. A good way to set this up is by creating lists that represent each stage of your sales funnel. For example, you can create lists like leads, contacted, in negotiation, closed won, and closed lost. These lists will act as stages where you move each card depending on where your client is in the sales process. Next, create a card for every lead or customer. On each card, you can add details such as the client's name, contact information, and notes about your conversations. You can also attach documents, proposals, or contracts so that everything is stored in one place. To stay on top of deadlines, open the card and add due dates for follow-ups, calls, or meetings. Trello will automatically remind you when these deadlines are coming up, so you never miss an opportunity. You can also use labels to categorize your clients. For example, green for high-value clients, yellow for medium, and red for low. You can also create labels based on product type, region, or sales priority depending on your workflow. If you want to visualize your sales schedule, enable the Calendar Power-Up. Just click on the Board menu, go to Power-Ups, and search for Calendar. This way, you'll see all of your tasks, meetings, and follow-ups in a calendar view, making it easier to plan. For team collaboration, assign cards to different members of your sales team. Each member can update progress, add comments, or upload files directly on the card. This way, everyone stays in sync and no lead gets forgotten. You can even set up automation rules. For example, if a card is moved to closed won, Trello can automatically add a checklist to handle onboarding tasks or send a notification to your team. And that's how you can use Trello to manage your sales pipeline, keep track of your leads, and close deals more efficiently. Thanks for watching.